In the heart of Korean culture, there lies a culinary tradition that has woven itself into the fabric of daily life, bringing together family, friends, and communities around a sizzling grill.
This tradition is known as samgyeopsal or a grilled pork belly, as rich in history. As it is in flavor, samgyeopsal means three-layer flesh, referring to situations of lean meat and fat in the pork belly that appear as three layers when cooked.
Era of Korean dynasty and later Joseon dynasty. This period were marked by significant advancement in agriculture, trade, and culinary arts.
Using metal grates and controlled heat sources, this innovation allow precise cooking and enhance the flavors of grilled meats. Pork belly became increasingly popular among Koreans. Pork belly with its fresh layers of fat and meat was ideally suited for grilling. Restaurants specializing in samgyeopsal began to appear, offering diners a unique experience where they could cook their own meat at the table.
Accompanying the grilled pork belly, an array of side dishes known as banchan. These small plates of pickled vegetables, fermented kimchi, and savory sauces. The most iconic accompaniment is samjang, a thick, savory paste made from fermented soybean and chili. Diners can take a piece of grilled pork, wrap it in a fresh lettuce leaf with the dollops of samjang and a clove of garlic, creating a perfect and flavorful taste.
So hi guys, we're here in Ayala. Pinag-isipan namin na sa aking mga friends na Samgyup! Open Sesame. Pasok na! Nami sa tulod, nangita mi kung asa ang kuan samgyupanan. Parang tanga to. Finally, naabot na jud mi sa among gipangita na tag 199 na samgyeopsal, affordable pa. Diri sa Junes at bang sa tawag ito, Jollibee and McDonald's. Yes. Finally, naabot na jud mi diri. Karon among gitryan ang kaning cheese na elastic. Tanawa ko do. O juga mao. Ga chopstick niya dito kay Baude ay. Agray! Anong lasa guys? Iba sarap ba? Sarap din. Sarap. So muna to guys, among kaon diri sa samgyeopsal. How it tastes? Lamira daw, murag ako. Ay, bye-bye! Let's go, guys! Hi, guys! Hi guys, we're in Ayala. Kaya nag-graven mi sa akong friends na mag... Pakuyaw! Shh. Bibi! Kasi anong sila guys.
Kaag mo diha. Ayala pa ni.
Ali, ipakita daw.